Alright guys, so today we are making this
Chow mein. Chicken chow mein.
And one of our favorite brands are the lamb chow mein, lambs, right?
Yeah, lamb.
So we're going to start off with some green seasoning. And saute that. This chicken is cooked up. We're gonna add some veggies to the pot.
So we got some pepper here. Yeah, put some pepper and some of this.
Use your hand, babe. That's good. Scallions? Or that later?
I'll put that in later on.
Okay.
And I have some mixed veggies
A lot
here.
of veggies.
So you got some corn, some peas, some carrots, and what else did that there?
A whole lot of
veggies.
Bora.
Yeah, long beans. And I'll put in some seasoning, some fried rice seasoning.
Chow mein seasoning.
Chow mein seasoning. Smells really good, and the chicken cooked really nice. Put in some black pepper, not too much. Some parsley. I like my parsley cooked up a little bit.
Yeah.
Unless it's fresh. So I'll put all these in the middle here. I'll put in some soy sauce. This is a dark soy sauce. And I'll put in some light soy sauce. You can see the difference.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, Max likes to sit on a chair. That's the way he sits.
Look.
He's a big boy now.
Look at my Maxie. My Maxie is the big boy. And here's the Cookie Girl. Her name is Cookie Girl. Look at Cookie Girl.
Yeah, they like to be around us all the time. They're very loving puppies.
Yes, Tara. Mera naam kare ocean.
It smells good a bit.
Yeah. Because you just make the best chow mein.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add the chow mein in a few minutes. Now I'll put in some more of this sauce in here. And because I'm gonna add the chow mein in now, I'll put in scallions.
Yummy.
So there it is, chow mein.
Chow mein done.
Yeah. Just have some nice texture. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Look.
Just a regular weekday dinner.
Yeah. It's the middle of the week, Wednesday.
Yeah.
It's not Friday or Saturday. But we can sport any day of the
Yep,
week.
that's our prerogative.
Any day of the week. So I'll add some more black pepper. This is gonna spice it up real nice. And of course some pepper flakes.
You
can see the
sure?
hot pepper in that. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. I don't have a problem.
Well, of
Because I
course
can eat it.
you don't have problem with
No.
anything like the pepper.
No, give it all to me. I'll take as spicy as possible. But it's you. Mackie baby. Mackie baby, what you doing, Mackie baby?
So I'll add some salt. You can if you want.
Switch your ways. Wow, the chow mein is nice and wet and moist.
Yeah.
Yummy.
So there you go, guys. If you guys didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so, or at least like the video.
And subscribe.
Yeah.
We demand that you subscribe.
Yeah.
Haha.
Yeah, this is what we do for fun, and we love cooking for the long as well, you know. So check this out, man. Oh man, how can you go wrong with this chow mein? Look, looks nice, irie.
Incredibly wholesome.
Irie vibes.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
You forgot salty.
Don't fight, guys.
I'm not
Get that
It's
set.
done.
Triscuit.
All right, guys. One love.
Energetically wholesome.
Peace out.
Subscribe to the channel.
An award-winning comfort.
See you guys in the next video.